So it's not how you race your car, it's how you stand by your car. Chris, take notes.
Name is Bryan Stewart. I am a journeyman union HVAC technician at City Mechanical out of San Francisco, California. This is my 2004 Chevrolet Corvette Z06. There is not much left on this thing that's stock, but it is faster than Chris Von Ritter and anything that he owns.
So what's your fastest lap time or track time?
So far today, I'm sitting in 3rd overall behind a car that's on race tires. I'm on 200 treadwear street tires. So that's pretty good accomplishment against all these Porsche race cars that are here. So hoping that I can continue going fast today.
What's your favorite track you've been to?
Favorite track I've been to is probably Laguna Seca. My favorite track that I've ever gone to that I haven't raced on yet though is probably Daytona, Florida.
What's some basic modifications of the car aside from everything?
Basic modifications besides everything. The block and the crankshaft are stock. Everything else has been modified. We have a 7,700 RPM redline. I have a 26-inch tall tire. So a factory C5 Corvette second gear runs out at 68 miles an hour. I run out at 83 miles an hour. Keeps me from having to shift a bunch out here on the autocross course. And so it allows me to just carry more speed everywhere. So I can be faster than Chris.
Any call outs you would like to make?
I've been hearing Chris Von Ritter's been trying to come out and build an autocross car for years now. There is a standing bet. He's bet $1,000 that he could put somebody in his car and they would be faster than me. I am still waiting for the car to show up and this famed driver because it has yet to happen.
How many lumens are your headlights?
My headlights are, I believe, 150 on the low beam and 300 on the high beam. That's probably a tenth of what Chris Von Ritter has on his truck.
Any future upgrades you would like to make?
The upgrades this off season, we're going to add more aero to the car because aero is downforce is grip is fast. Something that Chris Von Ritter is not. panicking. Sorry.
No, you're good.
You fucking went. "Ah!"
The first time, I was like, okay, I see what's happening.
Like, oh, sorry, I forgot that part.
No, but yeah, wasn't it? See when there's shoulder belt comes in handy?
Yes. I took those out for nationals because of the weight. Because the only thing for the class requires you is to have like a lap belt.
Yeah.
So like we took the shoulder belts out because that was like 2.5 pounds. We're trying to save as much weight as possible
I like it.
out of the car. So